All right, 30 says, suppose that x and y vary inversely. X equals 10 and y equals 8. Write the function that models the inverse variation. Remember, we have three equations for inverse variation. The first one is k equals xy. Y equals k over x is our second one. And x equals k over y. My guess is that they would be in this form. But I guess they could be in any of the other ones. So I have to figure out what k is. To do that, I'm going to plug in our x and our y. So I know k equals 10 times 8, which is 80. Now, no matter what you do for your equations, whether you use the first form, the second, or the third, you need to plug in k. X and y should still be in your equation. So I would have y equals 80 over x, or I could do 80 equals xy, or you could do x equals 80 over y. But you should have a y and an x in each equation and substitute something in for k. And again, any of these three could be your answer. My guess is that they would give you this one for the multiple choice section.